Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. Today's DIYs are all under the ocean and beach themed DIYs and using napkins. So let's start with DIY number one. For this, I'm taking one of this wooden sign that I recently got from Dollar Tree. It has this beautiful turtle sign. And today we'll be doing several of these. So let's start by painting like several coats of, I think 2 coats of white chalk paint all over it on back and front. So we're going to use back and front today. So I got this beautiful napkin and I just took like one ply and I'm placing onto the back of this wooden sign. And for that I started by taking generous amount of Mod Podge and I'm smearing with the paintbrush all over it, and I'm gently attaching this beautiful napkin which says like more beach, less worry, and I let it dry. After it's dried, I'm going to decorate more on it. So these are the 2 paints that I'm actually 3 paints mixing together to get this beautiful blue tone that is actually going well with the napkin colors today. So I'm going to paint the alternate beads with this color. I could have removed it, but I was lazy this time. I just carefully painted the alternate beads with this color, and I'm taking this beautiful shells from my stash. They were lying in my stash from a long time, so I just took a couple of them and I just attaching on either side of this board, and also taking the same colored flowers on either side of the garland, and I'm going to call this is done. And this is such a cute bead sign. I love the blue tone that's going on here, and also the beads and the flower and the shells, they all came out well together. So I'm so happy how this turned out. I hope you would like it as well. Please let me know your thoughts. Now we are also going to do the other side of the sign. So what I did was I just took generous amount of Mod Podge onto the surface of the turtle, and I'm just placing where the letters are not showing up, only the decoration of the napkin. So I just applied that and I let it dry. After it is dried, I'm going to take this sanding paper and I'm gently rubbing across around the design of this turtle, and I'm delicately removing everything out, and this is how it looks after it is the napkin is stuck. So now I'm also taking little bit of water, mix the blue paint all around the border to highlight the design. Using the earbud, I'm just dipping into the paint and I'm drawing dots around the wooden surface border. The border is already there, so I thought like I would highlight that by using dots on this. And these are the 2 sides of the design today. Now the other side looks like this. I also highlighted the turtle with this same blue paint or across the borders and also in the center part of the turtle. And this is the other side of the sign, and I just love how this turtle and those dots came out well today, and I'm very much happy with this. I hope you would like it as well, so let me know your thoughts. This video would be part of Napkin Challenge. Who doesn't love napkins? So this is hosted by Sarah over Sunflowers and DIYing, and Loli over Loli D's Creations. And I'm going to link the crafting channels of these creative ladies in my description box as well as the playlist. Please watch all of our videos and give lots of love. So let's move on to DIY number 2. For this DIY, I'm going to take one of this cute turtle planter, and it's ceramic one. I got this during Christmas time from Dollar Tree, and it's such a cute planter. I thought like I would also paint and decorate this for today. So I painted 2 coats of white chalk paint, and after that I gave like a 1 thin coat of Mod Podge, and I'm just taking some of these pieces of the same napkin around the top part, the shell part of the turtle, you know what I mean. So I'm just gently applying that around the shell, and I'm going to carefully work my way to attach all over it, and this is how it looks after it is done. Now I'm also taking some of this blue paint and I'm giving blue eyes to him. And I also drew the borders of the eyes and the legs and around the shell with this black marker, just like that. See, I'm drawing those cute feet. I'm highlighting them, and also around. I'm also giving a cute smile though. So, and this is how it looks after it's all done. So I also filled with a lot of styrofoam and Spanish moss, and I attached some of this greenery and florals and some seaweed. And this is such a cute ribbon that's matching with the decor today. I created a cute bow by twisting it in one angle, and I also ducktailed it, and he's all ready. So this is how he looks after all the decorations are done, and such a cute turtle with a beautiful bow and lot of florals. And I basically love this napkin color, and I also match the flowers, and the eyes are also blue for him. And yeah, this is another cute turtle decor that I love. I hope you would like it as well. Please let me know your thoughts. So let's move on to DIY number 3. For this DIY, I'm going to use the same napkin, and I'm going to decoupage on this beautiful blue candle. So I'm just taking where the turtle is showing up. So I'm just circulating it around according to the size of the candle, and taking generous amount of Mod Podge. Using brush, I'm smearing it up, same method, and I'm just generously applying this napkin on top of it. See how the color is already showing up well. Since it's wet, we cannot clearly see. Now this is how it looks after it's dried, and I can clearly see the design. And using the sanding paper, I'm just removing the excess paper out there, and I'm letting it down. This is one of the cute jute card, and I'm going to circulate it around the candle, and I stuck with the hot glue. And this is one of the cute starfish, and also matching the color today using little bit of a hot glue. I just stuck it where I knotted the cord, and this is the cute turtle decor candle holder, actually candle that is going well with all the collection today. And yeah, I'm happy how this turned out. I hope you would like it as well. So let's move on to DIY number 4. For this DIY, I'm taking one of this wooden turtle, and I'm painting one coat of white chalk paint. After it's dried, this is how it looks, and this is the napkin that I'm going to use, where it has those the shell scallops. So I'm going to use that design alone, and I'm just cutting the border down, and I'm measuring once the base part like that, and I'm going to cut down. And I'm also going to match the the scallops in the center, and I'm going to cut down that part. And you're going to see how I'm going to match the whole design as though it look like all in one design, you know what I mean. So I'm just taking generous amount of Mod Podge, and I'm applying all over this painter surface, and I'm taking the first piece and applying that on top of that, and I'm going to gently rub the brush on top of it to remove any air bubbles. And again, I'm going to work my way to do the next part. See how the design is matching. I cut down the border, and I'm trying to match the scallops in the center part, so the design looks like as continuous design. And I'm also going through the top part as well, and you'll see that after it is dried. I just took one more coat of Mod Podge to seal it, and this is the sanding paper. After it's dried, I'm just sanding down according to the design of the turtle, and I'm going to show how it's gonna look in a second. So this is how it looks after it's all done. Now I also got this beautiful garland that I recently got from Dollar Tree. They come two in a pack. I just took one of them, and this already has a hole. I'm just inserting one of the skewer, and I'm running this other side of the garland through the hole, and I'm going to carefully circulate, push this turtle through the garland gap like that, so it just creates a cute garland tag on the other side. So you're going to see that in a second. See, this is how it turned out. So now I'm also going to take the excess, and I'm going to attach to the back part of it. Taking a little bit of white chalk paint, I'm just dry brushing all over the starfish, and I also created a cute bow with all these beach themed ribbons, and I attached one pearl in the center, and I attached that bow on top of the turtle just like that. So this is how it looks, my turtle garland, and on a decoupaged tissue paper on top of the turtle, and I just love how this turned out. I hope you would like it as well. Please let me know your thoughts. So let's move on to DIY number 5. It's a quick hack again, and this is the cute sticker that I got recently from Dollar Tree, and this is one of the cute candle votive, and this is one of the electric tea light, and I'm going to add that into this votive, and I'm going to stick all this turtle sticker and some starfish and one of the cute fish, all three around this glass candle votive. And I also gave like one coat of Mod Podge to seal the design on top of it. I think that part I didn't show, and this is how it looks after it's decorated. I also have this cute mermaid tail from previous year's decor, so I'm just taking little bit of a hot glue, and I'm attaching that on one side of this votive, and I'm just covering the design that the paint got chipped off with this cute shell on either side and some pearls to finish the look. And this is how this cute candle turned out. Isn't that pretty? I just love how the mermaid tail is stuck, and the turtle and the starfish all turned out together into a beautiful candle decor. I hope you like it. Please let me know your thoughts. So these are some of the under the ocean beach decor that I wanted to share with you all today, and I'm just loving the color of this beautiful blue tone and the napkin color. And we use the same napkin to most of our projects except another napkin for another DIY. So this is all the turtle decor using napkins that I want to share with you all today, and they all turned out so good. I'm so happy how they all turned out. My favorite one is this cute turtle, and yeah, I wanted to know which one is your favorite, and you would like to give any suggestions. I'm all open for that. And if you like any of these ideas and would like to join the family, I'll be more than happy if you click on the subscribe button and join the family. So, and please don't forget to hit on the bell icon to get notified when I upload videos like this. So until next time, if you would like to watch some of my videos, I'm going to tag some in the right corner of the screen. I hope you enjoyed watching and working along with me today. And like I always say, thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.